This is my 2012 bike check, and alright, let's start up here. So, my grips, we have the Vans Cult grips, comfiest grips of life, and they're pretty stretchy, so you can stretch them as far as you want. Then we have the I think the Mutiny Glamroid bars in black. I think they're 8.5 rise. I have the Sabrosa hold-on stem, front load. It's pretty awesome. It's cool because it has the, instead of a one piece on here, it's actually got two pieces. So I guess that's kind of interesting. I have the Mutiny wand forks in black, obviously, and I got shadow pegs and a shadow hub guard for my Shadow Raptor hub, laced to Cinema 77s, or Cinema 777s on both front and back. And the frame, oh actually sorry, I have Demolition Momentum 2.35 tires. They're super fat and they're awesome. The frame, of course, is the Mutiny Loosefer V3. It's sick. I really like it, and it looks pretty awesome. Down here, my bottom bracket is, I don't even know what, I think it's
Shadow.
Yeah, Shadow bottom bracket.
And Shadow headset.
Who cares about that? And then eclat tibia cranks, best cranks in my opinion. Plaza pedals, and I have the tree light chain wheel. Shadow Conspiracy chain, Fiend, pivotal seat, animal seat post. Again, Shadow Raptor hub, Shadow hub guard, and another Shadow peg. So that's my bike. It's heavier than I would expect it to be, but it's awesome. I like it. It's super sick. So yeah, it's my bike check.
Keep it stinky.
Keep it.